I hope you like my new wallpaper. I also have one for the tablet. Let me just show you. It's the old Windows. Is it Windows XP? I think it's Windows XP. The old Windows XP wallpaper. Okay, so what I want to do is continue working on my projects. Build your own Lisp 14. Okay, I want to do something. I want to extract all of these files into separate module-like elements. So what can I do here? Yeah, all of the things I've ever searched here. So I have some questions about quantum physics. So ChatGPT has auto suggestions now. Amazing, but no question. I have a C script running at 100 plus lines of code long. What is the best method to extract some of the code into separate files? How does that work in C? Okay. So how can I modularize my code? Breaking it into separate files, but to make it more manageable and reusable. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do this effectively. Identify logical components. Look for distinct sections in your code, such as functions or group of related functions that can be logically separated. For instance, if you have, okay, so this is my plan of today. I don't think it's doable. 1 hour of coding, 1 hour of deep learning, and then 1 hour of articles, like reading what's new in the area of in the area that I'm interested in. I highly doubt that I can squeeze 3 hours. What do even these streamers that do 24-hour streams, are they on like amphetamines or some shit? Because there's no way that someone can control themselves to stream for 4, 5, 6, 8 hours. Look for distinct sections in your code. Distinct sections in my code. So I think I can extract this somehow. Then I think I can extract all the structures, definitely all the constructor methods. There's a lot of them. Lambda, fun, Q expression, S expression, string, symbol, error. Yeah, all of these can be extracted. Okay. Look for distinct sections in your code, functions or groups or related functions that can be logically separated. For instance, if you have utility functions or functions that handle specific tasks, file handling, data processing, these are good candidates. Okay. No, I don't want to split it. Shift Control V. Okay, I'm trying to learn the Shift Control E. I'm trying to learn the shortcuts as well. Touch. LL constructors.h touch LL constructors.c. Create header and source files. For each module, create a pair of files, header files, which will declare the function prototypes, types, and any macros that should be accessible to other files. Source files implement the functions declared in the header file. if you have utility functions, I should create utils.h, utils.c. So in headers, I'm declaring the prototypes. And okay. So what it's gonna be here? Nelvim Elwell. No, what do I have here? String C's. Okay. Nelvim Elwell constructors.h. So let me just check here. So this is I'm inserting shit. This Elwell constructors.h. All right. So if this is not defined, just a second. So what do I have here? So if it's not defined, Elwell constructors.h, here I am defining them, and then I should copy all of these constructors here. This won't work. It will work. So I can do it. I can do this by hand. Nice. But without the line numbers, please. I don't want the line numbers. Without the line numbers, S expression, Q expression, function constructor, close it. Lambda, but I forgot the properties. So this is gonna be Elwell const. All right, save this bad boy. With the if not defined, define and if what are these called? These are called macros, right? These macros prevent multiple inclusions. So if you try to include this file from other points, it won't be allowed. It will fail most probably. So I'm done with this. I'm quitting it. Now let's do this and let's copy all of this. Ah shit, but I have to remove the lines. So I need to enter the visual one. Sorry, I'm in visual, but from now here, visual. And I'm gonna select all of these. Not the delete. I think this is okay. So can I just yank it? I think I should be able to just yank it. And I think I can just be able to paste it. No, not possible. No, doesn't work. Doesn't work. I think there is a command. Wait. So vim, go all the way down to the delete. No, to the without the delete. So I'm here. So I want to copy it like this. Lines yanked. And now here, if I paste, why don't you work? Why? It's this, yank. Please tell me it works. Why? Let me check. Let me ask. I don't seem to be able to copy text from one Vim environment to another. How can I do this? If your Vim is compiled with clipboard support, I think it is. I think I installed clipboard support once. I run the Vim version and look for clipboard. What? Close. Okay. Close. Meh. I think I have the clipboard somewhere. I don't have it. How do I enable it? If your Vim does not support system, clipboard save your text to a temporary file and read it into others. This is so. If this is a workaround for this, it's the shittiest workaround ever. Hey Jose, I'm writing like a simple Lisp implementation in C as part of, I don't know, learning in C. I spent the last 7 years working as a front-end developer, so I'm trying to get back into it. I'm actually not doing this from my head. I'm following a pretty good book named Build Your Own Lisp. So in the end, I'm doing most of the stuff myself. But yeah. So basically, what I'm trying to do right now is, for you and anyone else who joined. So I have this really huge file already, 1,000 lines. I want to extract some of the logic into and modularize some of the logic into separate files. And I have a problem in which stupid Vim. Is this Vim or no Vim? I think this is this Vim? Ah shit, have I opened it? I need to open it with NeoVim. Alright, I think now it's gonna work. Now it's gonna work. So if I go where? How do I switch between these different tabs? It's Alt and the arrows. What percent of? I think I'm of the book. I think so. It's a really short book, by the way, and I suggest you to, if you want to learn C. I don't know how popular C is nowadays. 2 days ago I had a stream and a couple of people joined, and we had a discussion. Basically, one guy with I think 20 years of experience told me that Rust is more useful for anything that C was used for beforehand. But the book itself is quite short. It's like 200 pages. It's not a huge like university textbook, and I finished maybe 80%. So I finished majority of it. Now I'm trying to extract this logic into separate modules on my own. This wasn't in the book. Now Vim LL constructors. Let's see. Come on. I never worked in Rust. I would like to, but yeah. This is my first encounter with C after, I don't know, maybe 7-8 years since the university. And oh man, compared, I'm not trying to blaspheme here, but compared to JavaScript, oh, it's a lot of things that you need to do yourself, from memory management to reallocation, making sure you garbage collect everything. It's it's out there. I like it though. I wouldn't want to work in it, but I like it though. Come on. So yank, please tell me that it's gonna work here. Oh my fucking god. Why? Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. So it's like this plus yank. Ah, it works. Yeah, that's the book. It's really good actually. I don't like hand holding, and when learning stuff, I like to be thrown into the fire. So okay, I did this. Let me just see. And it's really good. It's really good. Okay, so this one, let me delete this and let me include ll constructors.h Okay. Lval constructors.h. So now, after spending 20 minutes on this, on trying to modularize 70 lines of code, let me 76 dd. I deleted too much. It's not 76. How many are they? 74. 74 starting from here. 74, delete this one. And now here, include lval constructors.h. No. No. Might get into it when I feel. What is the pro Git book? Ah, it's a book on Git, is it? Pro Git book. Ah, like it's so incredible how comprehensive a tool like Git is. I mean I know the basics. I know how to switch, but oh fuck, this is it burns my eyes. Like I know how to switch branches. I know how to rebase, but there's so much stuff there. What do they have here? Basics. So I think I know only this stuff. Okay, branching. Git on the server. Generating your SSH. GitHub. Git tools. Oh, sounds interesting. Actually, a couple of weeks ago, I read a fantastic. Let me try to find it if I can. I think it's here somewhere. I read. No. Where are you, bruh? No, these are the YouTube channels that I want to subscribe to. To be born in a bag. Let me try to find this. It's why Git 1, I think. Why Git 1 Hacker News. Why GitHub? No, it's not GitHub. I think it's Git. No. Ah, yeah, it's this one. It's this one. So if you have some time, read this. It's really interesting. I think is this article? How GitHub replace source? Oh yeah, this is the one. This is the one. Like back in the time, people had a multitude of different version control systems, and in the end, GitHub blew them all away. Kind of like Trump. No idea. I'm not from America, so I have no idea how it goes there. So what I wanted to, yeah. What are your names? String. I know you must fucking kidding me. Oh my fucking god, what's this? Unknown type name lval. Oh. Okay, I'm just digging a hole here for myself, but let's try. touch lval types.h, touch lval types.c. Thank you very much. Thank you. I mean, I'm not trying to be like a YouTuber or some shit. I'm just the fact is, when I turn this shit on and when I stream, I'm motivated to do the streaming instead of playing games or jerking off. So thank you very much. Have a good day yourself. Okay, so lval types. I don't think I need. I think I only need. All right, I think I only need these guys here. So I don't even need .c file. The C. I don't even know what I'm saying. Sorry. C. Okay. If not defined, lval types h, define lval types h. Why don't I? Why am I not having the syntax? Idiot. lval types.h. And if I hate this keyboard. It's a small mechanical keyboard, and I have to switch. I have a control switching key, and every time I miss it, and it basically switches between this backslash and the arrow up. So sometimes I want to go up, but I click the backslash, or I want to go up, but I type in the, or vice versa. I have no idea what I was saying. So lval types.h, and now here I should copy all of these guys. All of these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here. Okay, this was easier than it looked. So just here, let me include lval types.h, and let me remove how many of these guys, how many of these lines of code, all of this, right? Right? I should also copy this as well. Yank this son of a bitch. And then paste it here. Oh my fucking god, what am I doing here? Can I just select it like this? I think I can. Will this work? Copy, and now here, okay, it works. The good old grab 'em works amazingly. save, move back, remove, 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 save this guy as well, close this dude. Okay. Not very confident that this is gonna work. Yeah, first things first. I think this doesn't work because what's happening here? Because yeah, this one needs to be here. This is the first thing because I have the type. In LVOL types I have the different structures that the rest of my files are using, so I think they need to be first in the hierarchy. Now, yeah, it reduced this in size. In function LVOL print implicit declaration of function LVOL print string. Did you mean LVOL print at top level? LVOL print, LVOL read, LVOL read, LVOL read, unused variable string. Wow, so there's there's a lot of issues here. A lot of them. Wait. So I have created a new string type. So let me just move you from here and I'm gonna paste you here. Okay, seems nice. And I'm gonna put you here as well. Bum. Before this, it's gonna be string. Save. I should also collect you and throw you away once I'm done with you, my friend. Lucky number 7. String. Let me just get some water, sorry. I hope I at least reduced the number of errors here. I think I did. LVOL, wait, let me search for this. LVOL print string. I know what happened here. I know where you did wrong, my friend. So how many lines do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Delete. Paste it here. Let me just make some room. No, don't double it. Make some room. And now we reduced the amount of errors by another couple of them. What's next? Strings dot 139. What do I have here? 139. 9. Ah, a good old-fashioned semicolon mistake. No. So I have some errors here at 580. Where are you? 580. L will read string, and this is at 669. Ah, okay. I think the first issue here is this. There's no method called string, only str. In C, I think I need to do this str length. So I have the first of all, let me. I have no idea what any of this does. Oops. No idea what any of these does. Okay, I have 4 errors, all of them related to the method that I'm writing here. So I want to read a string, if I remember correctly. I want to read a string that is. Let me just try to visualize this. Yeah. Let me increase this by a bit. By the way, what do you think about my wallpaper? So let me just scroll this down. No, not down. Go to Lisp. Yeah. So what is going on here? Let's write JavaScript. So I have var x is 5. Var epsilon is 10, and then I have z is x plus epsilon, and then I have console log z. So I'm using JavaScript. Sorry, I just want to drill this better in my head. But just a second. Sorry. So I have this, and I want to provide this to my parser in the string format. So what is happening here? Okay, I set the last character to the null delimiter character. Otherwise, this all goes kaput. Next. So next we should strip. Yeah, because we are providing this in a string format, like here. I want to strip these 2 guys away, so I only get the content of whatever we wrote. So we can then take it to the parser and sorry, not to the parser, to the compiler. We already parsed this. to the compiler. All right, let's do this. Oops, I'm sorry. Let me not call it string. Maybe it's built in. Maybe it's baked into something and during the compiling my whole computer burns to the ground. So I'll just call it string here. And if I move to the right window, if I try compiling, I think it's gonna work. It didn't work. 580 lol read string, lol read string. Ah, 669. So this is the dude. I'm gonna yank this whole line and go to the top, maybe to the 50th. Yeah, and I'm gonna forward declare it here. Nah, I'm gonna forward declare it here and save it. Let's try to compile this again. All right. So a havarity happened. A huge havarity happened. Six, 7, 4. I think I used the wrong name of the method. It's mpcf and escape. So if I clear now, why the fuck are you failing? Undefined reference to lol r. So is this, oh god. So if anyone is watching this, yeah, I pooped in my hands and then I smeared it all over my face. Basically what happened is I wanted to reduce the number of lines of code that I'm having here. I had 1,000, now I have 900. Which is fine. It's not fine. It's not fine. And I think I messed somehow the imports. In function built in OP. So how do I think I need somehow to provide my other headers to the list, to the command that compiles the file. But how do I do this? Yeah, I need to compile all the files together. Yeah, I knew this. Wait. String C, mpcc. I need another file. What? How are you called, my friend? Split horizontally. Control Shift O. Control Shift O. How are you called, brother? lol constructors. lol constructors C. Ah, I just reduced the error number. What's this? Oh, I didn't introduce anything. Let me try to do this again. Clear, build, lval constructors age, unknown type name lval. I think this is gonna be the only thing I need. Hopefully. I need to include the LL types. No. Implicit declaration of the function malloc. How do you mean implicit declaration of the function malloc? What does this even mean? In function lval num, implicit declaration of the function malloc. Why do I get this error? The warning implicit declaration of the function malloc means that the compiler did not find the declaration of malloc which should be provided by the standard lib.h. But I don't think I defined it in the I haven't defined it standard lib.h header. Memory allocation failed. Why don't I Control Shift O? Wait, maybe the standard lib is imported in MPC. Let me see. MPC.h include, yeah, it's here. So everything is here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh fuck. Shift E. Let's move here. Chapter 14. Nelvim. What file? Strings. Oh, now if I get this error that says, oh, your file was already open, but you left it half done. No, I didn't do it. Okay. And here, what I want here, yeah. MPC.h. I need to do the following. Now lval constructors.h. Include mpc.h. Save it, close it. String. Build it. Only 2 errors now. Nice. Sorry. Let me just grab some sugar. I'll be back in a second. Not even a second. A moment. I'm gonna transport myself. Yeah, just a second. Sorry. Okay, I'm back. I had a bounty. People usually don't love coconut, but for some reason I really do. So, only 2 hours now. Let me just check if I muted myself properly, because I'm muted. Yeah, seems okay. I just opened my stream on another device. So, what do I have here? What do I have here? Function elval lambda. Inside elval constructions, implicit declaration of function elval new. No, not elval. Environment new. So both of these are on the same page. So what I could do here is extract all the, how many of those I have? How many of those? Length. I have the delete. I have the copy. I have the get. Okay, the new one doesn't reference any external logic or internal. It only has the malloc. I'm fixing the malloc by importing the standard library, so this will be okay. So now this one, and now this one is fucking with me, because this one has the symbol, elval symbol and elval function here, and elval delete. Next, all of these, without built-ins. Oh fuck. What about ln new? No, sorry. Ln new. Where is this method? It's here. It's only this. Okay, I think this one should be fairly simple. So let's move it here. Let's create length. How would I call this? Length.h touch length.c length.h. If not defined, length.h define length.h. It's only gonna be this method. So new is gonna be void. Is it 10 diff now? Yeah. And diff length.h. Save it, but I also need to import. Move me to the first line. I need to import npc.h, I think. Yeah, I think this is the one. Close it. Close it. Now here. I'm just copying this guy. Copy, paste, implicit declaration. So I didn't paste well enough. Ah! No! Oh! How do I redo it? Oh, fuck me. How do I redo? How to redo in Vim? Sometimes I make one mistake. I mistype, or as I said, I have this mechanical keyword and not all of the keys can fit. So some of them are using two different functions. So I have a function keyword that switches between them, and it fucking switches on my arrow keys. So sometimes my up arrow key is also my backslash. Command R. Is this working? Yeah, it works. Yeah, like this. So I need to switch. I need to buy a new keyword. Okay, keyboard. Visual copy. So now paste. No, why? What if I do change? No, it doesn't work. Oh, fuck me. I hate this. Found a swap file by the name of this, owned by me. Modified, yes. Username me, yeah, of course. I have a process ID still running. While opening another program, might be editing, so recover. Nice. So switch back, let me see. Enter visual mode. Let's select all of these. Do this, plus, and jank. With this command, I'm actually janking outside the NeoVim keyboard. Now go back, paste. Doesn't work. Of course, I'm gonna kill myself. Paste like this. Doesn't work again. Why? What about if I do insert? No. If I do insert and do like paste like this, no, it doesn't work. The worst thing about coding is not learning the concepts, it's fucking with the tools that you need to fuck with. I'm sorry for swearing. I usually don't do this. I actually do. Plus jank. Lines janked. Okay, please paste. Wait. So if I paste it here, how to copy outside of them? If you, of course it has to copy the current line, If Vim lacks, oh god, have I opened this? No, it's NeoVim. It should work. NeoVim should work. I think, does NeoVim come with clipboard enabled by default? I think it does. Okay, wait. NeoVim version grep clipboard. I think it works. It should work, right? Why doesn't it show me all of these infos? System Vim RC file, fallback for Vim. No. So why? I don't have clipboard enabled. But how did I managed to copy this? Am I going crazy or something? So just janking it, this doesn't work. I don't think this will work. So if I paste it now, yeah, it didn't save it anywhere. So using there's this command. Wait, this command. The double quotes, a plus, and then yank. should work. It usually works, right? Let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This plus yank. It says 12 lines yanked, but now if I go up, if I try to paste, no. It should work. It should work. Length new. It should work. It definitely should work. It should fucking work. Please. Why? Okay, it's here. Why am I doing this? Why am I such an idiot? It's here. It's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the command again, the double quotes, the plus, and the yank. 9 lines yanked into plus. And now if I Control Shift and V, it works. No idea why it didn't work that time. No clue. No clue. No clue. But now V and save it. Actually, the window below I don't need, so it's Control Shift and W, right? Yes, Control Shift and W. Let me just list all of my files. Let me just remove this here. So visual, all of these. Bye. Bye to you, to you. There's also forward declaration I did of this. It's here somewhere. I'm gonna remove this one too. That one as well. Where are you? It's length new. No, this is the use. This is the forward declaration. And then at the top, after the types, before the constructors, include, maybe even before the types, include length.h. Save. Clear. Now this is the command, but I'm gonna add another file to compile itself, and it's gonna be length.h. Oh my fuck, what? Why? Unknown type name length. So it should be after the types. It should be after the type. I don't even. Now this is. Now this is an architectural question to ask yourself. This is an architectural question to ask yourself. Where do things need to be? So in my global types.h, I think I also defined the length. Yeah, I did. It's here. So I could just switch these guys, save, move here, clear this, and I think I'm 92% sure it's gonna work. The imports did work, but this didn't. Why? Implicit declaration function len new. Why? Line 69 inside the lval constructors. So what I should do is also go to lval constructors.h, include length.h, save, close, and now with 94% accuracy, I think it's gonna work. Unknown type name length. In length. Oh shit! I didn't think about this properly. Everything was in one line, and all of those guys were happy together, and they went on their way. They're separated, but each of them has a piece of another one. So I'm gonna create like a circular issue if I do the following. I think I'm gonna do length.h, and here I'm gonna import include lval types.h. No, vq undefined reference to len new. Why? Function main strings.c 868 undefined reference to len new. Line 1 len.h. It should work here. Include. Look at this. Look at this. This little maneuver could have costed us 50 years, but I got it. Now add it anyway. .h save .h save close. Why? 868 undefined reference to len new. Wow, no, actually. Let me just see how the constructors were defined. Len h. So if I length h, I can remove this, right? Yeah, I can remove this. Len new, and I can close it. And now length.c, edit anyway. Length h, len new. This should work. It won't work again. Unknown type name length. I think I should move this type, but let me see. Let me just make sure I'm gonna build this proper. No. I think what's happening here is it's a cyclic dependency of some sort. It's definitely a cyclic dependency. It's definitely a cyclic dependency. It's definitely a cyclic dependency. But how do I fix it? 868 undefined reference 868. Let me just is this caused by bad imports? During linking, when the compiler can't find the definition of a function that's declared but not lend new, this is likely caused by one of the following issues: missing file, the compilation command. Ah, wait, could this be the issue? Len.h, len.c. Okay, woo! Nice. I didn't do anything new basically, I just did a bit of moving things around here. Have I reduced the line? Oh no, go back, go where you came from. So what do I have? I have 892 lines here. So I managed to shear off plus minus 100 lines. I want to make this file as clean as possible, so most probably I'll keep only maybe the main here. Everything else, all of these files, they need to go. They need to go, definitely. But I don't think I'm taking a complete effort to finish this. I think I'm gonna do this together with some other work, so I don't overindulge. In refactoring. Okay, that's fine by me. I'm gonna save this guy.